Okay, so hi dear Aries, very very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and today I'm going to do an experimental reading for Aries versus all the 12 signs, like current feelings. Nothing like no explanation, no intentions, no actions, nothing, just current feelings at this present moment. Aries versus 12 signs. This might or might not resonate, and don't take it. Like as a life changing reading or something. It's your responsibility what you're going to do after watching these videos. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Let's start from Aries till let's go till Pisces. Okay, Aries versus all the 12 signs. What we can know about the current feelings of Aries versus all the 12 signs. Starting from Aries, going till Pisces. If you are dealing with an Aries, Five of Pentacles, this person is feeling left out in the cold. This person, they're not having a very positive kind of energy regarding the situation right now. They're feeling like right now this situation is going down. There's a lot of pain around the situation according to them. There is a lot of feeling of, even if you guys are in a connection, this person is feeling lonely and sad and a little bit depressed about the situation between you and them. Dealing with the Taurus, Two of Cups, this person feels like this connection represents a soulmate kind of a dynamic in their life, and they really value this connection. They really feel a lot of love towards you, towards the situation. For them, this might represent a really beautiful, loving, nurturing, and caring kind of energy. Now, I'm not reading what is happening between you guys, what is going to happen, what is the outcome, and all that. I'm just reading their current energies towards you, current feelings. Okay. So if you're dealing with a Taurus, Taurus is feeling like you and them are kind of soulmates. Now, if you are watching this video for somebody who's not talking to you for 10 years, then I don't think so. These feelings are valid, right? Use common sense and brain also while watching these kind of videos on internet. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Three of Swords. Gemini is feeling heartbroken and hurt because of the situation. Maybe you guys had a recent breakup or separation, or maybe some kind of misunderstanding is going on. But Gemini is feeling like heartbroken and hurt over the situation. They're not feeling good about it. They're not feeling well about it. Dealing with the Cancer, we have the Three of Wands. Cancer is moving forward and they're looking forward to have some kind of better days, or like the situation getting better at some point of time. Maybe not immediately, but eventually. So if you are dealing with a Cancer, this person is feeling like moving forward, one foot in, one foot out of the situation, but mostly forward and looking forward to have something better in the situation. Okay, so Leo. If you are dealing with a Leo, we have the King of Swords. Right now, Leo is in their cold and off and detached and ruthless kind of era. They feel like cutting the situation out of their system, out of their life, at least for the time being, remaining detached and remaining very, very practical from the situation. Remaining detached and remaining very practically aligned to the idea of cutting the situation out of their life, out of their system for the time being. Dealing with the Virgo, we have the Strength card. The Virgo is holding back. It is taking them a lot of strength and courage to, hold back and not to do anything in the situation. But they are preferring to hold back and not to get involved in the situation for whatever reason. You know better than me. So Virgo is feeling like they should hold back this urge or desire to connect or reconnect with you. Hmm? Dealing with the Libra, we have the Knight of Cups. Libra is feeling like coming towards you with some kind of gift or peace offer or some kind of love offer, maybe some kind of message, communication, or apology. If you guys are not talking to each other or some kind of issue is going on in the situation currently. So they are feeling like coming towards you with some kind of really beautiful kind of offer. Feeling like. I'm not saying they're doing it. Feeling. Okay? Feelings, intentions, actions are totally three different things. Don't mix them up. Dealing with the Scorpio, Queen of Swords, right now Scorpio is in the mode of not giving a crap to this particular situation. Right now Scorpio feels like it's not a good time, or it's not a good idea to connect or reconnect with you. Right now they are in their own focus. Right now they are just doing their own thing and being in their own world. I'm just telling you the current energies here. Dealing with the Sagittarius, we have the Ten of Swords. For Sagittarius, this is over. Like they are feeling defeated in the situation. They are feeling like things ended on a very, very ugly note. Some kind of ugly fight, ugly argument, something happened here. And this person is feeling defeated and they are feeling like, okay, this is over. At least for the time being, this is over. Okay. Or it's about to get over. That's what they are up to. That's what they're feeling regarding the situation currently. If you're dealing with a Capricorn, we have the Lovers. Capricorn feels like a lot of attraction and pull and all kind of beautiful feelings and energies towards you, but there might be a choice between you and somebody else. Okay, so right now they might be the right now they might be in this what should I do, what should I choose, and who should I choose kind of energy. But there's love here, there's attraction here, there's a lot of infatuation also here, and a desire to connect with you and stick around. Aquarius, if you're dealing with an Aquarius, the Hanged Man. Aquarius is just trying to see the situation from a totally different perspective. They're feeling stuck in the situation, but still they're trying their best to see the situation from a totally different perspective, from a totally different angle, so that they can do something about the situation. So they are stuck, but they're trying to understand your point of view also, your energies also towards them, towards this whole dynamics. But they're kind of in this energy of, okay, let me take a chill pill, let me think about it, and not to do anything in any kind of rush or hurry or any kind of restlessness kind of energy. Cool. And dealing with the Pisces, we have the Queen of Wands. Pisces is manifesting something here in this bond between you and them. They find you very, very attractive. They find you a very good personality. They find you like somebody that they cannot resist. And plus, they are manifesting something here with you. Okay, so they are attracted, infatuated, and they are manifesting something really great between you and them. That's the energies for you versus all the 12 signs, the current energies. Let me see one card for you guys as your energies towards love or relationship. Current energies. King of Wands. You guys are trying your best to be in your uh, I am going to become the best person of this world. I am going to be so attractive, so beautiful, and I'm going to do everything for myself so that I can attract. I am not going to chase. So right now you are in this era of attracting, not chasing, not running behind anybody, not chasing anybody. Just in the mode of let me do my own thing. Let me just work on myself. Let me be a very attractive personality, very good person, very happy person, and you are just in the attraction, like attracting mode, not the chasing mode. Cool. So that's what I have for you. Very quick readings for all signs. You versus all signs, their current energies towards you. Cool. Thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. If you like this video, if you want this kind of video, we can do it like maybe once or twice in a month. So let me know in the comment section and we will keep it going. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.